Bankrupt realtor Doug Vaughn's been called a liar, cheater, and crook before, but today it was a federal judge doing the name calling. News 13's Alex Tomlin has more on what the judge's decision means for Vaughn.
Diane, the short of it, get ready, Doug Vaughn. We're coming after everything you have. Dozens of pages with one central theme. Doug Vaughn's a liar. The bankruptcy judge used harsh words and plenty of them in his 38-page ruling. He called Vaughn out, saying the former owner of one of the city's biggest real estate companies did run a Ponzi scheme and bilked people out of millions. The paperwork shows Vaughn's companies, which investors say were a front for his scheme, lost money for years and started losing $1 million a month in 2008. Despite those losses, the judge says Vaughn loaned himself more than $5 million from the company. He also borrowed $74 million from Charter Bank, which failed earlier this year. It's now under new ownership. Last week, Vaughn gave the judge a one-page, handwritten plan to pay back investors. He wanted to start a new company, but the judge basically said no one in his right mind would ever invest in it, since everyone knows he ran a textbook Ponzi scheme. So what does this mean for Vaughn? He's lost everything. Converting the bankruptcy to Chapter 7 means the U.S. trustee will take control of all his assets. They include his multi-million-dollar mansion, his Ferrari, Harley, and Jaguar, and $100,000 worth of jewelry. The trustee will sell off the assets and try to get as much as possible for investors and creditors. The Securities and Exchange Commission has already filed a civil case against Vaughn, and a criminal investigation is ongoing. Diane?
Okay, Alex. Now, Vaughn's former company, the Vaughn Realtors, is also bankrupt, and the doors have been shut for weeks.